Now Madison goes out. Lauren, you drop in the middle when Madison comes out, okay? Only when she goes out.
I never.
Maddie, come out and get her, Maddie. Come out and get her. And you girls drop back in the middle, Bailey. Drop back, Lauren. Pick it out.
Cross it.
Good job. Orange ball.
No. Not too much defense, not too much. Girls, right there. Tess, rotate in. Rotate in.
Go. Hard. Hard, Jenna. Hard, Bailey. There you go.
Come on, Hank, get on your toes. Let's go.
Nice try.
Hannah.
Pass it to go. Pass it to go.
Get it out. Slide it. Back up. Let's go. Back up. Everybody, come on. Let's go. Back up.
Orange ball is taking it.
Right here, by the blue dot.
Right there.
Right here. Jenna!
Back up. That's all right. Good job, Tess. Good job.
Good job, Paige.
Carry, not you. Here, stay up.
Doing good. When you come out, Madison, you go on defense, drop in behind her, protect the ball, okay? Chase them down, take the ball from them.
Okay. Come on, girls. Clear. Run, Kate. Stop.
Jenna, drop back, honey. Drop back.
Gloves off. Hands are gonna, the ball's gonna slip right out of here. Just throw them down the Okay, go. Run, Carrie. Run with it.
Go, Carrie! Don't punch up!
Good job, Camilla.
Stay with it, Yellow. Come on. Pressure. Pressure, Yellow.
Jenna!
Stay with it, Grace. Good try.
Good ball. Throw it in, Jenna. Throw it in and go, baby. Throw it in and go.
Not too much.
Go, Kelsey. Get down the field. Go. Oh, nice throw in,
That's
Jenna.
it, Tail. Stay with it. Okay, good job.
Let it go.
You're back now. Don't get caught up. Not too much. Right there.
Go, Jenna.
That's it.
Jenna!
Don't let him sit too deep. Stay with it. On your back, Tail. Run, Carrie. Get up there, Kate. Get up there, Tess. Come on, Yellow. Get up there and help her. See
Go,
Tail.
ball. Drop back, Orange. Drop back.
Good throw, Grace. Get down there, Yellow. Not too far.
Get ready, Emma. You're going in for,
Come on, Hannah. Keep it on the field. It's a big field.
you're going in. Paige playing offense. So, good job, Bailey.
That's it, Kate.
Yes!
Good job. Go, Louisa. Come on, Louisa. Get to it. Good job, Liz.
Emma said not tonight.
Go to the ball, Yellow. Come on, go to the ball. Don't wait. Don't watch it. Come on, midfield. Get down there. Help out.
We're going to get it.
Yours, Carrie. Stay with it,
Go
Carrie.
ahead, Lauren. You got it. Take it down and take it to the sideline.
That's it, Carrie. Right around it. That's it, Carrie.
Way to handle it, Gary. Way to handle it. That's all right. That's all right. Good work.
Okay, goal. Let's get on this goal kick now.
get on the goal kick. Don't come out too far, Yellow. Don't come out too far.
Go ahead, right past it, Bella, right past it.
Get ready for the ball, Kate.
Nice.
Come on, girls, who's here?
Roll with it. Make sure you drop back in front of the goal, Bailey. In front of the goal. That's it. Good job, Bailey. Good job, Emma. Lauren, good job, honey. Stay right there.
Next out ball, girls. Next out ball for us. Ref, next out ball in yellow, show. Thanks. That's it, outside.
Just knock him out.
That's it, good
Okay,
job.
Yellow.
Good job. Head up.
Water bottles in the thing.
Getting ready to shoot.
Girls, it's got to be down the line. You can't throw it across the middle.
Taylor, get back to your spot. Get back, Taylor.
Pass it, pass it.
Look at Tess.
Tess, you got to react. Outside, outside. Outside.
Getting a busy signal. Hey, you figure with 15 girls, you're going to eat up 2 of them.
Handball.
Plus, we can get the trophies out in there. Where are our trophies?
Alan's supposed to bring them. I don't know when. Last soccer season, they had them at the end. They brought them in at the end.
Be where the ball is, Paige. Be where the ball is, Paige. Go! Go, Paige! Ask for it! Call for it!
Come on, girls. Come on, girls. That's it, Jen. Get it.
Get
That's
down
it,
there!
Jen. Don't stop. Girls, who's playing? Let's go.
Up the sideline, Jenna. Go. There you go.
Stop. Settle it.
Chase
Settle
it
it.
down and go again,
Settle it.
baby.
Up the line. Look the pass. Good.
Go, Kelsey. Go.
Go, Kels!
Hard, hard. Hard. Go with it. Go. Go, Jenna. Go get it, baby.
Good job. Good job, girl.
Go, Laria!
Up the line. Don't stop. Come on. You don't
Go.
stop.
Chase it to the goal now. Go. Whose ball is it? Yellow?
I don't know. Yellow. Out.
Okay, sub. Come on, girls. Girls, come on, let's go. Sub, sub, sub. Hold on. Paige. Valeria. And Camilla, come here.
Go, girls!
Wait, who am I in for?
Offense. You're going in for Camilla. She was on offense. Go in and take a break.
Great job.
I know. Go on, take it. Yeah, we get some water real quick. You put your head down.
Remember, you were going to use Camilla's, remember?
Okay, drop back, Orange. Come on, Meowing
Watch out
Bulls.
for you.
Are you playing?
Right there, Bella. Right there. In case they get it, you can pick them up.
Yeah.
Nice try, Kate. Nice throw in. Nice throw in.
Oh! Ah!
Yellow. Drop back, Orange. Get out of there, Julie. Get out of there, Julie. Chase her down. Get out of there. Good job, Lauren. Good job. Go. Up the sideline hard, baby. There you go. Okay, Orange. Back in. Not yet, but you're going back in. Stop it, Kate. Stop her. Stop her. Stop her, Kate. There you go.
Great job, Kate.
Good job, Kate. Good job, honey. Good job, Kelsey.
Get no support. Somebody's not.
Get this far away and put the move on and going to the goal. You believe me, it's going to happen. Back to the middle and go. Okay, throw it in, Kels, or Madison. Throw it in, Maddie. Hard forward, baby. There you go, nice.
JD, that's you.
Kate, get out of Kate. Go, good
Nice,
move,
Kate.
Good movie, Kate. You see that?
I did. I have it on
Good move, Kate.
video. I almost said tape, but it's not tape.
Get up there, Yellow. Come on, help her out.
Good job, Kate.
It's not
Stay on it,
tape.
baby.
Step to the ball.
All right.
Go, Kels.
Pass for Kelsey. Go. Now go.
Yeah.
Cross it. Cross
Go,
it.
Kels.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Good job. Good job, Kelsey.
Great job, Kels.
That's soccer, baby. That's soccer. Good job. You see how she crossed that? Even if you don't have one of your own players over, by the time it gets over there, you're running towards the
Get her,
ball,
Kate.
you're gonna kick it, okay?
Get her, Bella. Get her, Madison.
Coach, who am I going in for?
What, baby? Did you bring a coat over here? Put it on your shoulders real quick. Wrap it around you. Did you bring a coat? Huh? You don't have no coat?
Here, just grab one of these that's over
Yeah,
here.
just
and
grab
put
one
it
and
on.
put it around your shoulders, honey. Paige,
Oh,
too.
you know what? Julie has a
I found
nice
out
big
something
green
else.
jacket
You
right
gotta
down
sit on
there
the
at the
ground.
end of on the thing. Just put it over your shoulders.
Ask
It's
Lucas,
okay.
he'll tell you.
It's right there. You see the green one hanging on the end of that bleacher right there? That's Julie's.
This is ridiculous.
What?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Let them have a chance. They were just in, Paige.
Who am I going in for?
Listen, come here. Right? Listen to me. We have some key players that have to switch. You guys are part of that key players team. I can't switch everybody. Like, I can't take We're not going to go forward. This game was still a better game than that game because we shut them down tonight. We shut them down. But that doesn't mean it can't get better all the time. Okay. You're good, sir?
One at a time, Paul.
I'm gonna do it. Start here. Just go right down.
No, this side. No, this side.
Hey, Paul.
All right. Come on up, baby.
Yay.
Thank you very much. Here. Thank you very much. You did a great job. All right, Bella. Come on up, baby. Kelsey, come on up, honey. Thank you, sweetheart. You played really good. Paige, come on up, baby. Very good.
Yay.
Everybody gets the embarrassing coach hug. It doesn't matter if you like it. All right, come on up, baby. Come on up, Madison.
Yay.
Let's make a malaria next.
Anytime, yeah. Anytime. We're gonna play again in spring. So you guys want to play with us again? You gotta tell mommy and daddy to request us as coaches so we can get you. Okay? All right. That's how you do it. I mean, what's not to love about the coach? Right, Logan?
I've already made a
Oh, really? Bailey, come on up, baby. Hey, who is this girl on top of here anyway? Bailey? Thank you. Come on up, Valeria. You know what time it is.
Yay.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Lauren wants to go last? Come on up, Jenna. on up. Thank you, sweetheart. You did an awesome Come on up, Rachel. Come on up. Daddy said you gotta go. Oh, good. Okay. All right.
I don't want my pizza.
That's okay. You just leave it there. Coach Paul will eat it. All right, Kendall.
Great job. Now, hold on 1 second. Lauren.
Oh yeah, Lauren.
Okay, come on up, baby. Right hand. You need to do a speech, okay? And then a trophy. And a hug. Okay, now your speech away.
I had a dream that we are winners.
Yes. Well, your dream came true. We all know. All right, now I have a special trophy here tonight for a special player. We're all special, but a special player. Our mascot.
Oh.
And who is it? Andrea! That's right. Look at her. She played hard. Look how hard she played. Look at that arm. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, baby girl.
Yay, Andrea!
Come here, Nolan. Thank you very much for helping us and being so supportive. I really appreciate it, okay? Give me a hug.
Everybody gets a hug.
Alex, go on up. High five, buddy. You did a good job. Always in practice. Always. Thank you so much. And to our special guest, the little monkey. Come on up.
Little monkey.
What's your name?
Kylie.
Kylie. High five. Very good. Here's your trophy. Thank you so much for helping me. You being a good little monkey. That's it. You guys played great. If you want to play again in the spring, you got to tell Mommy and Daddy to ask for me and Miss Heather's.